Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and I know I haven't been actively posting the videos over the past week. It's because of a few of my medical reasons, and I had my exams going on. But do not worry, I would be posting videos from now on regularly. I mean, I'll try to post videos regularly. I still have some important events coming up in the next few weeks, but let's just hope so that I'll be able to post the videos. And now, moving back to today's video. Today's video is about the TextNow application. I have posted a lot of previous videos in my channel about the TextNow applications, from its reviews to everything. Okay, so wait, I'll show you guys what the videos were about. This was the video which I told it was about the TextNow review. I have posted few videos about the TextNow updates too. I mean, I have only posted a video about the TextNow update, but regarding the TextNow's comparison with the its competitors and other market leaders, I have posted a lot of videos like this one. TextNow versus TextPlus, or TextNow versus TextMe, or everything. Okay, guys. So today's video, I'll be explaining to you folks who do not know about the TextNow application. What is the TextNow application? Uh, what is its specialty? What is it used for? And I'll also be showing you guys the TextNow sign up problems and how to fix those things. So guys, do not skip any part of this video and watch this video until the end if you want to learn everything about this application. Okay, so guys, now let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. So guys, what is the TextNow application? TextNow is made from the TextNow Corporation, which is actually a cellular provider. Like guys, if you are from other countries, let's say for example I am from India. In India we have companies like Jio, Airtel, or BSNL, right? So in the US we have a lot more cellular network providers. I mean, they are the ISPs, the internet service providers. They provide you with the numbers. Okay, TextNow is also one of them, but right now, for the folks who do not know about the situation in the US, right now even everyone in the US is opting for an eSIM. TextNow provides you with a physical SIM too, but among the eSIM providers, with the application who provide the applications, TextNow is one of the market leader. What they do is that they give you your own mobile number. For example, I'll get a mobile number like this. As you can see, this is my mobile number. I mean, this is some fake random number. This is not my number. TextNow provides you guys with this number, with these kinds of numbers, with which you will be able to create social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram, and also you'll be able to make unlimited cold callings entirely for free. That is one of the most reasons why TextNow is being used. Just take a look at the features. Wait, I'll again show you from the first. Free unlimited calling and texting, a local phone number for your own, like I told, the free unlimited calling and texting again, all over the country, including the Canada and the USA. The calling and texting is going to be free, and for international, you would be charged like not that much. It's going to be cheap for international calls, but still you're gonna get charged. We'd get we can buy a plan and get the internet too. But in the previous years, I mean, and the TextNow update of 2023, because of the American government's loss, okay, it was not out of their own free will or something. It was because of the rules and regulations changes posted by the American government, or it has been given to them by the FBI. What they stated is that they could no more enable users outside the US or Canada to sign up to this application and scam others. Cold calling has been recently increasing in the US, and with this, the scams, the calls using the scams have been increasing by a lot. So, in order to stop or prevent those scams, what the US government took initiative is to stop virtual number providers such as TextNow, Google Voice, and make the users entirely for the US citizens. So right now, if you are outside the US or Canada, you won't be even able to install this application. But there are ways with which you can solve it. I'll cover that in the later part of the video. But this is the condition with the TextNow right now. Okay, so I have covered what is the TextNow application on a brief. Now I'll show you guys of another application. The second line is also from the same TextNow application, but the thing is that its GA is bad. I mean, user interface is going to be bad, and it's only available for the Android users. That is the thing. If you consider TextNow, you must consider both the applications, TextNow and second line, as both of them are from the same company. Okay, it's both from the same TextNow corporation. As you can see, if you try to sign up, you get this error even in the TextNow and the second line application. That is, TextNow is unavailable in your country. With this, what they did is that they stopped others from making new accounts for the people who are outside the US or Canada from making new accounts, and they would be showing you guys this error. For the people who already had an account even before this law was passed, what they did is that they tracked out your location, and if you had your account made outside the US or Canada, they just disabled it. As you can take a look on my screen, I had a few, you know, tens of accounts. I don't know the exact count. I guess 70 plus accounts. It was disabled. Not all of them, but few of them were disabled. Okay. Oh, I was telling about the errors, right? This was one of the error. Even you get right now. And this was another error. That is the sign up error. The Play Store error is one of them too. So right now three errors, and the final fourth error is going to be area code error, where actually when you try to choose a local phone number, you won't be able to choose your local phone number. An error you'll be displayed with this error. So for people wondering, are there no other ways with which we'll be able to rectify these errors? No, there is actually a few methods with which you could actually solve all of these four errors. Now I'll be not going into deep on how to solve the errors, but I'll be showing you something. Wait, most of the Protech Genius audience would have already known about it and wouldn't have solved the problems. I even got few tens of messages stating the thanks for the video. They messaged me via my email or something. I even got some messages on me asking. They were asking me to sell the TextNow accounts, telling they would pay me a few amount of dollars for the accounts. So if you watch this video, and this video, as you can see in the screen, I'll leave this video's link in the description and the first comment. Go watch this video. By watching this video, you'll be able to solve all of the four errors: the installation error, the sign up error, the area code error, and the account disabled error. You'll be able to solve all of them, and you'll be able to use the TextNow application without any problems. And guys, as a bonus, there are a few other videos. As you can see, this is my WhatsApp. This is not my WhatsApp. This is actually a WhatsApp account created using a virtual number. Just take a look at my number. This is a virtual number, and for proof, I'm showing you guys. I was able to make WhatsApp using a virtual number I received from a virtual number provider like TextNow, but this account was not made from the number which I got from TextNow, but this is made from another application. So guys, if you want to learn more on how to do this and how to make social media accounts, then I suggest you go watch this video. This video's link will also be in the description, and I'll pin the first comment. I'll pin my comment as the first comment, so you guys can just go check it out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If it was helpful to you, do not forget to click on the thumbs up button below. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And if you did find this video helpful, do those 2 steps mandatorily. And if you have any suggestions to say to me, just leave it in the comment section. I would be happy to help you if you have any problems or doubts. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in tomorrow's video. Until then, bye.